Fam, welcome to 2022 East 73rd Avenue, Unit 2. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,400 square feet. No cap, this house is bussin'. It's giving main character vibes, Aura points maxed, straight goated. Other condos are over 400K. This one's cracked at $339.9. The living room hits different. Big windows, natural light, straight vibing. Low-key cozy, high-key lit. You pull up the squad, you're mogging every op on the block. Aura on fleek. Kitchen is a flex. Appliance drip, cabinet slay, counters lit. This is Sigma grind set meal prep Riz. Don't cook here, you're dog water. 4 bedrooms, not gonna lie, that's wild. Primary suite, Pookie Palace. Aura crack, Sigma slay arc unlocked. The rest, grind cave, NPC respawn point, drip storage zone, twin guest room, savage versatility, no cap. 2 bathrooms, mirror selfies, sheesh. Hygiene Riz on max, mewing friendly Aura station. No salty siblings yapping at you, everyone gets their own glow up art. Certified dub. Outside, deck for a grill sesh, bot playlist blasting, touch grass zone unlocked. Slay queen. HOA NPCs delete snow, delete trash, delete negative aura. You just vibe. 0 L's, peak community Riz. Lit neighborhood, cozy drip aura, not Delulu. Mad slay, brain rot, but in a good way. Price drop locked, $339.9. 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, garage, yard, HOA dubs. South Anchorage Sigma vibes. Don't be a noob. Don't fumble. Don't glaze the comps. Slide, fam. Slide right into our DMs. Unlock your homeowner arc. This house is bussin'. Skibidi certified, goated, straight Rizzler energy, no cap, got.